Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video on my channel. In this tutorial I will show you step by step how to automatically clear cache in Firefox browser, as clearing the browser cache is an essential practice to maintain browser performance and ensure that the latest content from websites is always loaded. It also helps protect your privacy by removing stored data from websites you have visited. Well, let's quickly get started with the steps and improve your browsing experience. Open Firefox browser. Then, click on the menu button from the top right of the page, and from there select Settings. And from the browser settings page, click on Privacy and Security panel from the left. And on the other side, scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section. Then, click on Clear Data. The Clear Browsing Data and Cookies dialog will open. In the drop-down menu next to When, choose the option Everything. Then, make sure that the cached temporary files and pages only checkbox is selected. Finally, click on the Clear button, and if you close the browser, any changes you made will be saved. But this method is considered manual, meaning that it will be done when you want to clear the cache. But if you want to clear the cache automatically, every time you close the browser, I will explain to you how to do that. Scroll down to the History section. Then, click on the drop-down menu next to Firefox Will, and select the option, Use Custom Settings for the history. Then, select the checkbox Clear History when Firefox closes, and then click on the Settings button. The Clear Browsing Data and Cookies dialog box will open. Here, put a check mark next to Cache Temporary Files and Pages. And make sure that other items that you want to keep are not selected. Finally, click on the Save Changes to close the Clear Browsing Data and Cookies dialog button. You can now close the settings page. Any changes you made will be saved automatically. That's it. Now you know how to automatically clear your cache in Firefox to keep it running smoothly and protect your privacy. Remember that clearing your cache regularly is essential to improving your browser's performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with others who might find it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.